Fundraising is the lifeblood of solopreneurship, enabling us to fuel growth, innovation, and sustainability. Access to capital is vital, whether it's for purchasing equipment, hiring staff, or expanding into new markets. With sufficient capital, we can accelerate growth, seize opportunities, and stay ahead of competitors. Fundraising helps us mitigate risk by diversifying sources of capital and building financial reserves. Moreover, it opens doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations, enhancing credibility along the way. But fundraising for solopreneurs isn't without its challenges, and we often walk this path alone, navigating complexities solo. Lack of resources, autonomy, and support systems pose significant hurdles on our fundraising journey. Despite these challenges, resilience, determination, and strategic planning are our allies. Crowdfunding emerges as a powerful tool for solopreneurs, democratizing access to funding and validating ideas. By leveraging online platforms, we can tap into community support and tailor campaigns to our unique needs. Personal branding and storytelling play pivotal roles in our fundraising success, building credibility and emotional connections. They showcase our vision, leadership, and authenticity, rallying a loyal community of supporters. Exploring alternative funding sources beyond traditional methods offers flexibility and autonomy. From peer-to-peer lending to grants and competitions, these avenues open new doors for financing. Tokenization, a new frontier in fundraising, offers global access, fractional ownership, liquidity, and transparency. Legal and compliance aspects are paramount, and solopreneurs must navigate securities regulations, tax implications, and IP protection. Compliance with AML and KYC regulations is essential to prevent fraud and ensure regulatory compliance. In conclusion, fundraising is a multifaceted endeavor that requires careful planning, perseverance, and resilience. So, whether you're exploring crowdfunding, building your personal brand, or tapping into alternative funding sources, remember that your success is our priority. To read the full article, please visit the page https://malcolmtan.net/